Alright, so today we have an air hose reel by Vevor. This was sent in for testing and reviewing. Alright, so we got 5 feet of this rubber PVC air hose, 3/8 in diameter. We got this heavy duty bracket here, appears to be about 1/8 of an inch, maybe slightly thicker. We got 4 of these anchors, and we got 2 of these bolts. We got the reel itself, made by Vevor. 50 feet of retractable hose. Once again, 300 psi, 1/4 inch connections. Alright, so this section is going to go right here. The wall. Alright, so we got the reel mounted and it's pretty much time to start using it. And I wanted to talk about these connections here and why the fittings seem to be reversed. This is typically your inlet coming from your compressor. This is your outlet going to your air tools. Well, this end, I'm using it for my plasma cutter, which is right under my my welding table. This hose, I go ahead and pull this out about 45 feet. And I plug this in to my manifold or my water separator. So this is my filter for my plasma cutter. Goes in through here, feeds out to my plasma cutter. Now we're going to pull about 40 feet of this hose. Now we're going to plug in the air hose to my water separator. Alright, so we're going to put this back in there. Alright guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Once again, this is a Vevor Air Hose reel. Retractable 50-foot reel, 3/8 hose, 300 psi. Check them out at vevor.com. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye.